Hey everyone, welcome to my review of this fan by VENTY. I've been using this fan now for the past few weeks and I took it on a cruise and I was so thankful to have it while I was inside my stateroom on the cruise because inside those staterooms it can get really stuffy and I was thankful that I had this fan right here to circulate air through my room. And inside this video, I'm going to show you how this fan works and I'm going to give you my thoughts as to why I absolutely loved having this fan with me. First off, I loved the portability factor of this fan. You have this huge battery built inside of the fan that allows you to blow this fan for even up to 2 days. And I was extremely impressed because I didn't have to charge it every single day. It would last throughout the entire night. I would turn it off and I would turn it back on the next night. And I think I charged it maybe twice on my entire cruise just because of how long that battery lasted. Now it also has this arm here that allows you to fold down the fan and then store it inside of this storage case. So you have this compartment right here that you can use to store your charging cable as well as another attachment to carry this fan over your shoulder. So I really do love the storage case that comes with it. It just makes it really simple to pack this around and carry it in my suitcase. It charges via USB-C and I found that it does take a while to fully charge. I would say most of the day, probably 10 to 14 hours, depending on how much battery life is left in it. But once it's charged, it will last a very long time. And that's what I loved about it. I could see myself using this for camping or for basically any trip or vacation because I love to have a fan when I sleep. So this is going to go with me every single time I go on a vacation to a hotel room or camping. Now the versatile arm really is nice because you can change the direction that the fan blows. So you can have it blowing straight upwards or outwards. And not only can you change that direction, you also have this remote here that will allow you to oscillate the fan and turn it side by side. I'll show you how. First off, you just have to turn it on with that on button, and then we can hit the oscillating button right here. And that's gonna turn the fan side to side. If you wanna quit that, you can just hit the stop button. But you also have a light built into the fan, which I thought was a great addition because there's many times that I just want a light near me that I could turn on and I could read, or maybe I have to find my phone. And having that light built into this fan was really useful. You can change the brightness, so that's going to be the brightest. If you hit it one more time, it's going to turn off. So there's different brightness modes that really do make it versatile. You can also change the speed of the fan. So this is on low. If I click it one more time, it will go to medium. And then if I click it another time, it will go to high and then extra high. So there's 4 different fan speeds. And if you click it again, it will go back down to the low speed. Then we can just turn the fan off by hitting the off button, but those are also built inside of the stand itself. So you have the power on and off, you also have the light, and then you have the oscillating mode right there built into the stand. So overall, I absolutely loved having this fan with me. It really was a great addition to our cruise trip, and it really kept a lot of the air circulating in the room. It didn't feel stuffy whatsoever. So I'm going to be using this fan a lot while traveling, and overall, I just think that it's an awesome product and an awesome portable fan. Thank you so much for watching my video review, and I hope that you have enjoyed it.